I have the car adapter for the PS Vita here. I'm just going to unbox it. Let's go to the back. Alright, on the back of the package it says, "Simulously play. And charge your PS Vita system with the official car adapter." And then it 1.5 amps provide fast PS Vita system charging. And the person at GameStop told me that you can't use a normal car charger and plug the USB in because it'll blow up the battery. But that's why I had to buy this, because for my trip I need a car adapter. So I found the knife of unboxing this, and here we go. There's one. There's two. And I think there's a third one. Nope, just snaps right off. Alright, now let's look at this big heavy package here. Alright, so first off, you'll see the instruction manual. Then you'll see that you just plug that into that, and that into that, and this into the vehicle power socket. So yeah, I think that's it for that. Oh, you actually have to apply it. Hold up. Where's the car charger? Here it is. It's still in the box. It's sneaky poops. Alright. Now it's decently made. It feels really nice and decently made. Fuse cap. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Are you supposed to unscrew it or something? No? Okay. Well, I have my USB cord over here. And I think you just gotta plug it in like that. And then it's a good charger. Alright, so that's it. It's just basically a car adapter for it. Comes in a box like this. You might not find it at the PS Vita shelf at Walmart, but look behind it if you do have like another accessory aisle for games and whatnot. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.